Welcome. In this video, we are going to answer one simple question. What exactly is Python, and why do so many people use it? Python is a high-level general-purpose programming language built around one big idea. Code should be easy for humans to read and write. It is used everywhere from websites to artificial intelligence. Think of Python like a recipe. You write down each step in plain language, and the computer reads and carries out every instruction from top to bottom, just like a cook following a recipe. Here is a tiny Python program. The first line starts with a hash symbol, which makes it a comment. Comments are notes for humans. Python completely ignores them. Next, we store the text ADA inside a variable called name. Then we build a greeting by joining the words hello, and the name together. Notice how close this is to plain English. Finally, print tells Python to display the greeting on the screen. That single word print is all it takes, no complicated setup required. When we run this file, Python reads each line from top to bottom and prints hello ADA to the screen. There is no compile step. You save the file and run it immediately. Unlike compiled languages where you must translate your code into machine code before running it, Python is interpreted. You hand your source file directly to Python, and it runs right away, making it much faster to learn and experiment with. To wrap up, Python is a readable, interpreted language you can use for almost anything. It's clear, English-like syntax is exactly why it is the most popular first programming language in the world.